What's up everyone, my name is Jonathan. Thank you again for joining me for another Adobe Photoshop tutorial. And today we are going to talk about something that I just feel like isn't used enough. And that is artboards in Photoshop. Let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Photoshop and we have, a standard new document panel. You can pick something that you've used. You can go through stuff you've saved. You can pick a preset one for photos or print or grab a template or whatever. You can do all that stuff. You can do anything. You can pick whatever you want. And you can do custom. But right here, artboards. And this is going to change your workflow, I promise. Your folders are about to become so decluttered ever. Like, this is going to change. You're not going to have this anymore. You're not going to have version 1, version 2, version 3. Like, you're not going to have all of that. It's all going to be in one Photoshop document. One. So, click on Artboards. And then when you click create, now you open it up and now you have an artboard. So now all you have to do, so let's make, you make your first whatever. You make your first graphic for someone, you make your first whatever. And now all you have to do is click right here. So click and hold, go here, or hit V on your keyboard again. So once you have that, you've clicked on this. Now all you have to do, boom. There's your version 2. And you can copy all your stuff. So you can make one artboard that has all your gradients, all your color swatches, all that stuff right there in the document. And then you're like, oh, you want a revision. Okay, yeah, cool, no problem. Oh, like, it's all gonna be in one Photoshop document. You're gonna have all your stuff down here in your layers. Like, so this is set up so that they're groups and not layers. So right here you have groups. So each artboard is a new group. So when you make stuff on this artboard, it'll go in this group, so on and so forth. And then you might be thinking, well, okay, but how do I export just this one or just that one? Well, that's super easy. Here, I'll show you. And we're just gonna do something super fast. We'll just do this. No. So let's see. Let's see, where am I at? Here. There we go. And okay, so we did that. So now we were here and we made, you made a new layer over here. So deselect, grab your elliptical tool, or we'll grab this, fill that in. Okay, and I'm filling it in by hitting Alt backspace just for future reference, whatever. Now that tip is free. So now you're like, okay, so now you have this version. Well, how do I export just this? Super easy. Just go to File, you go down to Export as, and now you can either export all of them as individual JPEGs, or you can pick. So now you're not gonna have, you'll still have a bunch of different versions of JPEGs, but you're not gonna have a different version for each new version that you're sending off to your clients. So hopefully this helps you. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Make sure to share this video if you feel so inclined to do so. Make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I appreciate you all. Make sure to leave a comment for video suggestions down below. Thank you for watching. God bless, stay safe, and we will see you in the next one.